Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our Foundation 1 UW class. Today's learning objective is learners will be able to identify sea creatures, fish and octopus. The learning outcome is learners are able to name few sea creatures, identify features of an octopus, and identify features of a fish. Okay, children, which place do you think this is? Can you guess? Yes, you're right. It's under the sea. So today, let us listen to a story about two friends, Sam and Tim, who visited the Dubai Aquarium to learn about sea creatures for their school project. So, let us join them for a tour under the water and see which beautiful sea creatures we can find. What do you think, children? Which type of sea creatures will they see under the sea? Can you put on your thinking caps and tell your mummy or daddy which sea creatures they will see? First, they saw this sea creature from their binoculars. So, what do you think? Which sea creature is this? Yes, you are right. It's a jellyfish. Well done, children. Now, let's dive on. Can you guess which sea creature is this? Oh yes, it's an octopus. Well done. Good job. Let us dive on furthermore down the sea. Can you guess which sea creature is this hiding behind these binoculars? Yes, you are right. It's a seahorse. Well done. Good job. Let us move down furthermore into the sea and try to guess more sea creatures we find. Okay, can you guess which sea creature is this now? Oh yes, it's a crab. Well done. Good job, children. You identified the sea creature well. Look at this amazing sea creature. Have you seen it before? Where have you seen it? Yes, I remember some people eat this. Do you know the name of the sea creature? Can you guess what it is? Yes, you are right. It's a prawn. And when you go to a fish market, you can find this amazing sea creature there. Good job, children. Well done. Now Sam and Tim are looking through their binoculars for more sea creatures. Which sea creature is this? Can you guess what they have found? Yes, you are right. Tim and Sam have found a starfish. Well done, children. Do you know we can find different kinds of big and small fish as well as other sea creatures under the water? Tim and Sam are looking for some of them now. They have found a big fish through their binoculars. Which big fish do you think they have found now? Can you guess what this is? Yes, you are right. It's a shark. Tim and Sam have found a shark. Good job, children. They are looking for more sea creatures from their binoculars. And they found another one. Which sea creature can you see now? Can you guess which sea creature is this? Yes, you are right. It's a whale. And do you know that the whale is the largest sea creature in the sea? Which sea creature do you think Tim and Sam can see if they visit the Dubai Dolphinarium? Do you have any guesses? Can you guess what that sea creature can be? Let's find out which sea creature you can find there. Which sea creature can you spot in the Dubai Dolphinarium? Can you guess through your binoculars? Yes, you are right. It's a dolphin. Good job, everyone. Now Sam and Tim went to look at some beautiful fish. Do you remember the famous story of Finding Nemo? Which fish do you think was in that story? Yes, it was a clownfish. And these are clownfish. Now, let's learn about the parts of a fish. Now, let us look at the parts of a fish. Can you see this beautiful golden fish? Yes. Now, when you look at it closely, the first part you can see is the fins. The fins helps the fish to maintain position, move, steer and stop its body. Now, let's move on to the middle of the fish, where we can find the part which is called the scales. The scales protect the fish from the environment and predators. Now, let's see what we can find next. The next part of the fish is called the gills. Fish gills are the organs that allows the fish to breathe under the water. Now, let's see the next part of the fish, which is at the end of the fish, and that is the tail. The tail helps the fish to swim faster and efficiently. Now let's move on to the last part of the fish, which is the eyes. The eyes helps the fish to see well and move around fast. Do you remember this sea creature which Tim and Sam saw before? Yes, it's an octopus. Now, let us learn more about the octopus. Now, let's check out the parts of an octopus. The first part on top is the head. Then we can find the mantle. What do you think a mantle is, children? The mantle helps the octopus to breathe. It contains the gills. Now let's find at the bottom you can see the suckers. The octopus uses its suckers for grasping things and catching prey and for locomotion. Then you can find the mouth below the octopus and you can find 6 arms and 2 legs in the octopus's body. Octopus protects themselves by shooting black ink into the water when a predator approaches. The black ink allows them to remain unseen and swim away quickly. Now, let us watch a video on how an octopus shoots ink when in danger. Now let us try out this experiment. You will need a clear glass with some water, a plastic octopus, an eyedropper and some black ink or food coloring. Put the plastic octopus into the bottom of the glass. Use the eyedropper to slowly add the black ink or paint into the water. When you are adding more ink into the water, it becomes harder to see the octopus because of the changing color of the water. And this is how an octopus protects itself. It's reflection time. You can take a fish, real one or a toy, or you can draw one by using different lines and shapes that we have learned. Also, make an octopus out of Play-Doh and name the parts that we learned on both sea creatures. Take pictures or video of your task and send it to your teacher on MS Teams. Well done, children. We have come to the end of our lesson. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye.